Good morning, Quadcopter 101. And before we get started, let me get my shout out of the way. Today's shout out goes to Christopher H. Congratulations, Christopher H. You were the first to say first in one of my recent videos, and thus win this shout out. What do I got for you today? Well, I'm not reviewing this drone. I've reviewed this drone already. What I'm reviewing is this camera. This is the SKT-11 720p and 1080p HD camera. Why am I reviewing it? Well, you know, I fly a lot of these little micro FPV racers, but I don't have really a camera to throw on top of this to get HD video. You know, I've been doing all the recording via FPV, getting FPV video, and it's FPV video scratchy. You know, it's not the best in the world. I wanted something maybe a little bit better than what I'm seeing in the FPV, and what I'm looking at here, this camera here, again, is 720p, 1080p, but the price of this thing is only about $16 currently. Yeah, that's going to vary as time goes. It's going to go up and down, but yeah, it's a dirt cheap little camera. Now, don't expect GoPro quality from this, but I'm hoping that it's better than FPV video, and that's what I want to try. Now, this camera is very simple to operate. Again, 720p at 30 frames per second, then 1080p. They also say 30 frames per second, but I tried the 1080p, and it seems to be interpolated from the 720p. And on top of that, you get skipped frames, missing frames when you go to 1080p. So I recommend, you know, using this as a 720p camera, even though it is rated up to 1080p. Additionally, you know, it records directly to a microSD card. That's a benefit there. And this is your charging port. You get a little charging cable with this type of USB input to charge it. Now, on top of that, they give you this protective case. Okay, and this protective case is angled, as you can see. So, you know, this is actually made. They were thinking ahead there, you know, putting this on FPV racers. And that's what we're going to try today, you know, on this FPV racer. One other thing I forgot to mention about the SK-1011 camera, notice this array around it. These are infrared LEDs. This does have night vision capability. Now, I tried it at night. Don't expect to be able to illuminate an entire room with this, but you know, for objects within about 6 feet, this does illuminate. So up close, you know, if you want to get more distant objects in IR, you're going to need a separate emitter, something to light up the area for this camera, you know, in IR, and they sell those separately. So the quadcopter I'm flying this with today, this is the hold on. 3, 2, 1. This is the Halifax Turtle, 135 millimeter. I had to look at my cheat sheet there, but I've flown this recently, and when I flew it, it had stock PIDs. I wasn't really impressed with the stock PIDs that it was, you know, that came with it. Andy RC flew this also and reviewed this, and he did update the PIDs. And what I did was, since that last flight, I put Andy's PIDs in there. So we're going to try this, see how it performs with Andy's PIDs with this camera on top. So I hope you enjoy this flight. Okay, I have the camera recording. I'm going to arm it now, and we're going to do a quick flight and angle with the camera on it. It still punches it. Let's bring it up close to show it to you. We'll do one more punch. Now I got a little 450 milliamp hour battery on this thing right now to lighten it up, in other words. That camera weighs 17 grams. So, you know, to counter that, what I did was I put a little 450 milliamp hour on there. Before I flew it with a 650 in the first flight. So today's flight we're flying it with 450 milliamp hour. Okay, I'm going to put the hat in my wife's head, and we're going to go and fly this in acro. Hope you enjoy the second part of the flight. Okay, selecting air mode, and we are armed. Let's take to the air with this thing. Okay, the other day I flew this. I'm still seeing a lot of jello. But I hope that camera's coming out nicely. I saw jello the other day when I was flying this thing. Still got it. Okay, which way can I go through here? Because we're sitting in a different spot today. Going around to the pole. So, going up, higher. Did that okay, no problem. Going around this way. Almost came to the ground that time. that adds a little bit of weight on there, that's 17 grams. Let's come through the trees. Come through the trees this way. Now that little 450 milliampere hour battery is doing very well. I am surprised that it's providing this much power. But I'm feeling the extra weight of the camera, I'll admit that. So I got to do these turns a little bit faster. Normally I could go do slow rolls, but this one I got to do fast rolls with it. So I hope that camera's coming out nice. Andy's pins seem okay, but I'm still seeing vibrations. Probably I need to tighten up the camera a bit. Yeah, Andy's pins are nice. Very nice, to tell you the truth. Thank you, Andy, for sharing that with us. A lot of people don't share the pins, but Andy does. And that, I appreciate seeing that. Some people do that. But yeah, that makes this a nice flyer. See, can we come through here? I think we can. Let's go low and fast. Now this particular turtles, it's a mean little machine. It is. And it's even meaner with these new PIDs. I like it. I hope that shows up in the picture. Let's do another pass by us. And I like this new this 450 milliampere hour battery. It's providing tons of power to this thing. I'm surprised how much power. And good flight time. Well, this turtles gets a lot of, that's another thing about this turtles. It gives you great flight time. I got over 5 minutes flight time with the 650 milliampere hour battery. Am I scaring you?
No.
Got a little too close. Wonderful little machine, this turtle. It is very maneuverable. So we'll go run one time up here, go up a little bit higher, one more time up here, and one around there. Okay, I gotta land it now. Well, no, I don't need to land it. I'm only at 3.42 volts. I still got lots of flight time. But I'm watching that voltage. That's a nice little battery. I gotta use that battery more. It's Turnigy? I'm not sure. I gotta check it. So, with the turtles, it works great. Okay, I gotta come in now. Now we're getting weak. Going to angle mode, and we're gonna bring it in. So my thoughts, well, I can't see us. Wait a minute. You can bring it a little closer to that. Oh, I gotta land it soon. Stopping it right there because we were hitting 3 volts. Okay, and there's the battery warning too. So, oh no! Yeah, you can feel a little bit of weight added by the camera, you know, rather than flying without the camera. But it still flew great. I hope there's not a lot of jello. We'll find out afterwards. You know, let me remove that battery after the flight. But oh no, it still flew great with this on there. So, hope you enjoyed this flight. This Quadcopter 101 again with the SKT-11. 720p, 1080p. I was flying in 720p. So hope you enjoyed this flight. Quadcopter 101. Signing out.